Danger in riches. Only he who has spirit ought to have possessions, otherwise possessions are a public danger. For the possessor who does not know how to make use of the free time which his possessions could purchase him will always continue to strive after possessions. This striving will constitute his entertainment, his strategy in his war against boredom. Thus, in the end, the moderate possessions that would suffice the man of spirit are transformed into actual riches, riches which are in fact the glittering product of spiritual dependence and poverty. They only appear quite different from what their wretched origin would lead one to expect because they are able to mask themselves with art and culture. For they are, of course, able to purchase masks. By this means they arouse envy in the poor and the uncultivated, who at bottom are envying culture and fail to recognize the masks as masks, and gradually prepare a social revolution. For gilded vulgarity and histrionic self-inflation in a supposed enjoyment of culture instill into the latter the idea it is only a matter of money, whereas, while it is to some extent a matter of money, it is much more a matter of spirit. Nietzsche, Friedrich, 1996. Human, All Too Human, a book for free spirits. Cambridge University Press. Page 283-4, an aphorism number 310. Restless Gluttony, examining the effects of consumerism on society. In this video, we delve into the topic of restless gluttony and how it affects society. Using Nietzsche's metaphor of food, we explore the dangers of excessive consumption and materialism. We examine the impact of consumerism on our physical health, our relationships, and our mental well-being. Through a critical analysis of the market economy, we consider whether the pursuit of money and material possessions truly leads to happiness or if it only creates more problems. Finally, we discuss the importance of self-reflection, introspection, and detachment from the stresses of work and money-making to lead a fulfilling life. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that has become increasingly relevant in our consumer-driven society: restless gluttony. As Friedrich Nietzsche once said, "Our appetite is limitless, but have we taken this to an unhealthy level?" In this video, we'll examine the dangers of excessive consumption and materialism, and how it affects our physical and mental health, our relationships, and our overall sense of well-being. Restless gluttony is the focus of our discourse today. We live in a society that values consumption and material possessions. We're bombarded with advertisements that promise happiness if only we buy the latest gadget or luxury item. However, as Nietzsche's metaphor of food suggests, our appetite is limitless, and we must question whether we've taken our gluttony to an unhealthy level. Nietzsche characterizes the meals consumed by wealthy individuals in luxurious settings, accompanied by learned people whose tables groan under the weight of the dishes, and the more, the merrier. But is this truly something to strive for? Is it beneficial to indulge excessively in food and other material possessions? The hyperconsumption gluttony requires wealth, which necessitates more labor. Money has become the yardstick for everything, and having it alone is insufficient. It must exceed what others have, and it must be openly flaunted. But is money indeed the key to happiness? Or does it simply create additional issues and stress in our lives? Nietzsche remarked on impoverished writing style. This is how people now write letters, and the style and spirit of letters will always be the true sign of the times. What would he say about today's emails, Twitter, and WhatsApp? Are we becoming slaves to technology and losing our ability to communicate effectively? The market economy is founded on the premise that increased spending by the populace enhances their welfare when in fact, it engenders exploitation, erodes independence, and renders people powerless and valueless. Self-examination, introspection, and a sense of awe, a genuinely religious life that necessitates leisure and detachment from the stresses of work and money-making, have all but vanished. So, what are your views on restless gluttony? Do you share Nietzsche's perspective on consumerism and the pursuit of money and material possessions? Or do you have a distinct viewpoint? Kindly express your opinions in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions of this nature. Thank you for watching.